New opportunities, new money, and new everything. Hey y'all, what's going on? It's girl Shar back again with another video. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and join the family, baby, because I promise you will love it here and I would love to have you here. But if you're returning, thank you for returning. Welcome back. Y'all, feel so good this morning. It is the first of the month. It is October 1st, and this is a new month for new opportunities, new money, and new everything. I love the top of the month because it's a fresh slate for you to do all the things that you have set for yourself. New accomplishments, new goals. I just love it. So this morning I am having me some breakfast. Y'all know I love my Chick-fil-A chicken bowl, so I'm eating this Sprite that I'm drinking. And yeah, I'm gonna get some work done, but I never give up on yourself. Never give up. You know, I know things may not seem like progress is being made at certain times, but progress is always being made. Okay, God is always looking out and things will work out for you. Okay, because I have goals to set for myself. I'm gonna make sure I do that, but I'm gonna keep grinding, keep showing up every day. I'm gonna do what I need to do. If y'all feel generous, I'm gonna put my cash up on the screen. I'm just saying, if you want to send $1, say you can do that. We gonna make this thing happen because I know me, I know my potential, and I know what I want, and I know I'm gonna get it because I'm one of them type of people. Anything that I write down, it manifests. Anything that I speak, it manifests into my reality. So yeah, y'all. I'm about to eat my food and I'm come back to y'all in a little bit. Stay tuned, baby. Stay tuned because like I said, I'm posting every single day, whether it's a shorts, a video, a live stream. I'm sitting here watching my girl E-Kane, but when she first moved into her house, this is one of her older vlogs I ain't see. But yeah, y'all, go follow E-Kane. I know she a little crazy, but it's my girl. I just love the greenery, y'all. I love this time of year. Fall is my favorite season, I promise. Look at all this green. Yes. Vision board kits. Okay, so as y'all can see that the vision board kit eats down, but I did want to show y'all my phone case that I got real quick. It's super cute and it's blue color. You know, I had to do my little ASMR moment, but it's super cute. MagSafe, we love that. Yes. I got a new phone case. I got a new phone case. That's literally how I was feeling. But let me get into this vision board kit, y'all. Y'all know we love speaking positive affirmations. We like making our vision boards and things like that. Well, I did get this. It came with a pack of 30. It had a lot of different, you know, pictures in there. And it also came with 2 pages of the double-sided stickers. I'm going to lay them out on the bed so you guys can see them better. And then I'm also going to show you guys what they look like on the wall once they're hung up. I was going to put it on the wall behind me, but I decided to put them in a different room, y'all. When I say I love these and it was only $5, I'm like, yeah, definitely doing this. This one says manifest bigger. Yes, we love that. We do. But you guys are going to get a better look at it once I lay them out. So just keep watching. What it look like, how it turns out. So I'm definitely going to use this one. It says manifest bigger. This looks like the outside of the flamingo in Vegas. Using this one. They got some cute ones. I kind of lined them up in a way that I want to put them on the wall. But they are so cute. They have so many motivational phrases on here. So this is like everything that comes with it. Stay hydrated. Progress over perfection. The universe. Good energy. Yeah. It's giving. And I forgot to tell you guys, it does come with these 2-sided stickers, so y'all can hang them up on the wall. I use these stickers, so yeah, y'all. So cute. Okay, y'all, so I hung up on the wall, and this is how they look. It came out so cute. It came out super cute. Super cute. So now I can just, you know, look at this daily. But yeah, definitely go get y'all some. This is so cute.